to my channel. Today we're going to do 3D fruits with papers. If you want, you can have tape and one pencil. Okay. And you need okay, now this is okay. This is white paper. White. So you need a big white paper, and then you cut these into these rectangular shape. 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After you do that, you're going to make 6 types of fruit. So first, you need a green. Okay, I plucked 2 leaves, and then I have 2 green paper. Okay, you have to trace like this. Mama. Okay, I plucked 2 leaves, and then I have 2 green paper. Okay, you have to trace like this. Mama. Oh, I cut 2 apple pieces in the red paper, and I just cut it off. 2 pieces. Okay, what is this? Apple. Okay, so first I am doing apple. So you have your 2 apple pieces. You put one right here, paste, and then put the other one, put one fold into the head and paste it like this. See that you have to cut a brown stick like this, and then do this. Brown stick. And then just stick the leaf to it. Okay. 2 green pieces of pad. Okay. And then you just have to fold it like this and then paste it. Okay? Okay. Like this. Okay? After you put some glue, just paste it exactly like this. So now you got these 2. Good. Glue the leaf and then paste it right here. Okay, cherry pieces. Okay, you just cut them to this size, small size, and then fold them like this. And you got this. Then just glue this up a little bit. One sec. Boom. You done this glued, and paste it like the pear, like this, and do the same way for the other ways. 2 orange pieces like this, circle, and then you glue them same like the cherry. Okay, and do the same for the other side. Okay, we're done. Okay, now we need this stick. I guess, how do you... Okay, 2 yellow pieces of pineapple, oval shaped, and then fold it into half and then glue it. Thumbs up. You need a green color, yellow color and red color. You have to paste it this way. These little, okay, like this. And then you need a blank marker or a sketch. Then draw like seed-like stuff. Like if you want, you can do dots. And then glue them together. First, you need to glue the watermelon. And then just paste it like this. Okay? Okay, bye guys. And thank you. Please subscribe and leave a like.